In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add ease in, ease out effects using CapCut PC. If your zoomed graphics, text animations, or camera movements feel stiff and robotic, this simple technique will make them look much more polished and professional. The goal here is to take a basic movement and give it more natural speed so it starts and stops smoothly instead of moving in a harsh, mechanical way. To begin, we first need to create a movement path. Go down to your timeline and click on the video clip you want to animate so it becomes highlighted. Then place the vertical white playhead at the exact point where you want the movement to begin. Once that's set, move over to the top right Properties panel. Under the Video tab and then in the Basics section, find the Scale parameter. Next to Scale, click the small keyframe diamond icon. This places your first anchor and tells CapCut where the animation should start. Now move your playhead forward a few seconds to the point where you want the motion to finish. At that new position, change the scale value to 130%. After adjusting the value, click the diamond icon again to create your second keyframe. This becomes your destination point, so now CapCut knows the zoom should move from the first scale setting to the second one over time. At this stage, the motion exists, but it will usually play back at a constant linear speed, which is why it can still feel unnatural. To fix that, we need to open the velocity graph overlay, right-click directly inside the highlighted clip on the timeline, then select Show Keyframe Animation. As soon as you do that, a dedicated keyframe tracking workspace appears just below the clip. You'll see a clean, straight line connecting the two diamond anchors. That straight line represents the current speed of your animation. To make it feel organic, click directly on the diagonal line between the two keyframes. Then move your cursor to the Curve configuration box and click the preset labeled Ease In or Ease Out. The graph will immediately change shape from a straight line into a smooth curve. That curved motion is what gives your animation a softer beginning, a more natural acceleration, and a clean deceleration at the end. This is one of the quickest ways to improve the quality of motion in CapCut on PC.